This broadcast is being transmitted at the request of the Emergency Broadcast System from civil authorities. The Secure, Contain, and Protect Foundation of the U.S. Department of Anomalies has announced plans to capture the creature, and then contain it in a research facility in Camden, Tennessee. For your safety, 1. If you choose to stay home, stay armed with a gun or a knife, and keep your house protection no matter what. Do not trust your gut. If it tells you to become unarmed and or remove house protection, it is the entity manipulating your gut so it can kill you. 2. Do not go outside for any single reason, which does include evacuating. Going outside for any reason will result in your death, and there will be no escape. Do not panic. This chaos will be over soon. May God be with you all. This concludes our broadcast for tonight. Stay safe and stay alive.